Here at TSLOTS, we focus on providing our customers with high quality extrusions and quick lead times. We want to ensure you get the parts you need when you need them. Our machine operations are no exception to these high standards. Some of our standard machine operations consist of cut to length, miter cutting, access hole drilling, counterbores, tapping, panel machining, and much more. These standard machine operations are a part of our everyday services, and we have mastered these processes. Thanks to our top-of-the-line operators and machines, we are able to help assist in creating your visions and dreams. Please visit us at tslots.com to learn more information about this. And don't forget to subscribe to us to get the latest information and updates. Thank you.